What do you do when you have data that you want to flip? That is, to switch the columns to rows, or rows to columns. Perhaps the data is from a download from another system, or you've received it from a colleague or client, or you simply typed it in the wrong order. I've heard too many stories about people recreating the data. In Excel, you don't have to retype the information. Instead, use Transpose. Hi, I'm Dawn with K-Square Technologies. In this tech tip, we'll look at how to save time by rearranging Excel data from columns to rows using the Transpose feature. Here are the easy steps to transpose or switch data in columns that you want to rotate. First, select the cells with the data you want to rearrange. For larger ranges, you can also press Ctrl-A. Next, copy the data using any copy command of your choice. For instance, Ctrl-C for copy. You could use Copy from the Home tab of the ribbon, or right-click and choose Copy from the shortcut menu. To transpose, we'll move to a destination worksheet. It could even be in another workbook. And select the first cell where you want to rearrange the copied data. Make sure that this paste area is free of other content. Now, look for Transpose under the Paste options in the Home tab of the ribbon. And here is Transpose, or right-click and you'll find Transpose in the shortcut menu. You also get a preview of what the results will look like. You may need to apply other actions to adjust things like the column formatting, but now we have our data flipped or transposed. And notice that the formula is adjusted when the data was flipped. It's that simple to flip or switch your Excel data. After the data is successfully transposed, you can delete the original information if it's no longer needed, because there isn't any link between the original and this final result. If you want to rotate your data frequently to view it from different angles, consider instead creating a pivot table so you can quickly pivot your data by dragging fields into rows or columns. In this K-Square tech tip, you've seen how to save time and effort by rearranging Excel data with Transpose. How can we help you to be more productive? Please reach out to us for IT services and consulting to support you with Microsoft technologies. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.